Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make wise purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams, the Araphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi, and the G-Pop dash cam. Get ready for some epic showdowns, and let's dive right in. The Araphase dash cam boasts a 2K+1080P front and rear dual camera setup.
It captures crystal clear footage from both angles, ensuring you never miss a detail.
Plus, it even has a 4K Ultra HD 2160p single front camera for that extra level of clarity. The Araphase dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for Android and iOS smartphones. You can easily access a live stream, download videos, change settings, and even share your footage on social media platforms. It's like having your own little production studio in your pocket.
The Araphase dash cam features super night vision capabilities. It performs exceptionally well in low light conditions, thanks to its GCC MOS sensor with a wide aperture and WDR technology. You can rest assured knowing that your nighttime footage will be clear and detailed. The Araphase dash cam comes with a 24-hour parking mode, which automatically switches on when your car is parked.
It detects collisions and even attempted theft, providing you with around-the-clock security.
Plus, it supports up to 256GB micro SD cards, giving you plenty of storage to store your recordings.
Reviewers praise the Araphase dash cam for its video quality, user-friendly app, and excellent customer support. They also appreciate the 24-hour parking mode and the ability to support large micro SD cards.
However, some reviewers mention issues with app connectivity and voice recognition. Overall, it is regarded as a great camera at a great price. And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the Araphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi, and the G-Pop dash cam. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy shopping.